Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, we're going to talk about one of the Tri-5s that we just got in, and this is a custom, and it is a restomod, and it is cool. We'll tell you all the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a 1955 Bel Air two-door sedan restomod car. Absolutely beautiful car in every sense of the word. It is beautiful. It came out of Texas. So coming out of Texas, it doesn't have the thing that many Minnesota cars have, and that's called rust. There is no rust on this car. You can look at this and all of our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, and where we have our latest acquisitions, the new cars, some of the specials we have, and of course, more details on this one, because if you watch the entire video, you will see a cold startup, you'll get to walk around, a little more details than what I'm going to tell you right now. But isn't this just the absolutely iconic color combination with the red with the white, base coat clear, absolutely nice. This car originally was a V8 car, but right now it's got a 355 cubic inch small block. Not only does it have that upgrade, but it also has power steering, power brakes, and most of all important for many of us is air conditioning. Just a really, really nice feature. But take a look at how the quality of the chrome is just absolutely impeccable, from bumper guards. I love these hood birds. I mean, that is just one of the coolest things they ever had on the cars out of the 50s. Also, of course, it's got the upgraded aluminum polished wheels with the radial tires. Radial tires being one of the best improvements that they ever made on any of the cars going forward, and especially on the restomod, such as this one with the 3-inch drop and everything. It is really, really nice. I guess the other thing, you take a look at the interior, looks somewhat similar to what they came with in terms of a bench seat interior, which I really actually like, so you can comfortably have 3 people in the front seat if you're so inclined. But it also has all the nice upgrades. You take a look at the inside, as I mentioned, air conditioning, a really nice stereo system, tilt steering, automatic. I mean, this thing is just set to go for any time you want to go cruising. You can find all of our inventory on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Give us a comment, give us a like, subscribe. We'd love to have you take a look at all of our stuff, because there's always interesting things that you can find about cars that we currently have on inventory, and even stories on some of the ones that you perhaps have missed. But like I said, really nice car. It is the Bel Air, of course. All new glass, all new rubber. All the cat whiskers are done. Dual exhaust. I mean, and again, whenever I look at this car, I just look at how nice it overall is done. And the fits are really, really good. Everything about the car is nice. So if you're looking for that restomod, you want that 55 Tri-5 Chevy, to have something that you can turn the key, jump in and drive, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. You can come and take a look at it in person. We'd love to have you come down. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and even open on Saturdays 10 until 4. So take a look. This is one of those really, really nice ones. My guess is probably won't last long.